Hello, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Next is the Schottky diode. What you can say about Schottky diode is it is formed when a metal such as aluminium is brought in contact with moderately doped n-type. So this is n-type which is moderately doped, not heavily and not lightly. That is intermediate doping you have of the semiconductor, and above that you have an aluminium metal attached to it which forms a diode which is called as Schottky. This is the symbol of the Schottky diode. You have S-type symbol above the diode, which is the symbol for the Schottky diode. The symbol for the normal diode, you have this type of symbol. So when you have S-type added in front of it, it becomes the symbol for Schottky diode. Now the diode current equation of the Schottky diode and the normal diode, PN junction diode, are same. Then current voltage characteristics are again the same. It is very similar to that of the PN junction diode. So when you look at the characteristics of the Schottky diode, over here you can see the barrier potential or the potential difference required to turn on PN junction diode and the barrier potential to turn on the Schottky diode is different. So there are basically two main differences between the Schottky diode and PN junction diode. The current mechanism in two devices is different. In PN junction, the current is because of minority carriers, and in Schottky barrier diode, the current is because of the majority carriers. This is the main difference between the Schottky diode and the PN junction diode. The current in the Schottky diode results from the flow of majority carriers over the potential barrier at the metallurgical junction, whereas in PN junction, the current flows because of the minority carriers over the potential barrier at the metallurgical junction. This means that there is no minority carriers in the Schottky diode. Now what does it mean? Since it has no minority carriers, so the switching time, what you have seen, this minority carrier concentration was increasing in the PN junction diode. So this concentration is not there in Schottky diode. So the switching is very fast in case of Schottky diode because of the majority carrier. So when you reverse bias, it very short compared to that of PN junction diode. The switching time is very short compared to that of the PN junction diode. Second difference is the reverse saturation current IS for the Schottky diode is larger than that of the PN junction diode for the comparable device area. This property means that it takes less forward bias voltage to induce a particular current to a PN junction diode. When you compare the forward bias voltage required for the PN junction diode and the forward bias voltage to the Schottky diode, it is less in case of Schottky barrier diode as compared to the PN junction diode. This is the Schottky diode in detail.